Hello guys. Here we have a tuna pot. I don't really know these things, but what I know is I had to repair this thing. Okay, so the guy who brought this tiny machines, he also bought those IC replacement. Anyway, those are 5-volt regulators, I believe so. That's exactly what he told me before starting a repair. So guys, in order to repair any IC, you know the story, right? You have to use flax. I always apply flax whenever I do an IC level repair, and this kind of a board doesn't need too much heat, guys. Whenever you are repairing a motherboard, you should always feel the board. You can see the layers, you can see how thick it is. If it's a tiny board, you don't need to apply too much heat because you can end up damaging the motherboard. Same thing applies on this board. This board doesn't need too much heat. It's just a tiny board for alduino. That's what they call it, I believe so. Okay, so this guy, he normally uses this thing. He's my mentor, so he normally buys these things to use on the gate controllers to control your gates while you are away, something like that. Even the lights, you can control so many things with these alduinos. They are just programmable, and depending on what you want to achieve with them. So those are brand new ICs. So to replace an IC, you have to use flaxy, and again, don't use too much heat. So in this case, I didn't change the old what do you call this solder. There was no need because the board was tiny, and again it was smooth, soft, and the old paste and the old solder was perfectly fine. Guys, the more you apply heat, the chip will align itself. As you can see, the moment I applied heat, the chip aligned itself proper. So when this thing bends, it also bends the 5-volt. I believe that's a regulator. So I had to replace that 5-volt regulator. Same thing applies as well. Apply flaxy, but do add flax because you can see he used flaxy before. He tried to replace those things, and I believe it didn't work proper. So he had to buy those ICs, and then I have to install the IC and then change that 5-volt regulator both same time. It's already in the board solid, but in this case I had to use flaxy and again press with my soldering iron, just to be sure, because I don't want to go back in the same thing and then do it and then do it and do it. I prefer to do it once and then do it proper. So I had to press there. As you can see, I was pressing with my soldering iron so that the chip and the board will touch. So anyway guys, this is it here, and I don't like to leave motherboard uncleaned. Prefer to clean the board with an alcohol, with 100% alcohol. As you can see, I was cleaning the board, and I had to clean the IC as well. Guys, always make your work neat and clean. Anyway, much love guys. I love you so much. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Anyway, take care guys. I'll see you. Bye bye.